Hey guys, welcome back. Happy 4th of July, America. Hey, let's check out this camera trick using this Can-Am Ryker. So that's really cool, guys. So check it out. All you need to do that trick is your smartphone and some LED lights. For you guys that have Android phones, you can go straight to your advanced settings in your phone and you're going to change the shutter speed to 8 seconds. For us that have iPhones, unfortunately, we have to download an application to do that. All the information for the application and the settings for your camera is going to be at the end of this video. So next, you just need some LED lights. I'm using this stuff right here. It's called light wire. I have it in red, white, and blue. I'm gonna wrap it around the wrist of my passenger while we're riding this bike. And with those camera settings, the bike's actually gonna become invisible and you're only gonna see the light trails. So that's really kind of cool. I'm gonna set my camera up on this ladder behind me. So I have like this aerial view looking down on the bike. 8 seconds is all it takes to capture those really cool videos like this. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Try those settings. I'm gonna have a lot more videos like this coming out for you so you can enjoy it while riding your bikes. Happy birthday, America, and I hope to see you in the next video.